What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here with my good friend Jacob, and he is from San Antonio, Texas, specifically Spring Branch, Texas. He is here to show us a Hypertech Speedo caliber for the 3rd gen Tacomas. He's rolling on 37s right now, and his speedometer is pretty damn accurate. So we're gonna go into like the complete install and wiring of it, show you guys why it's useful to have. All right, guys, so we're here with Jake, and he's gonna go over how to disassemble to get to the Hypertech Speedo caliber.
Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is pull apart the center section of our dash, just the surround around the radio, and then once we get that out, we'll go to the next step. Lower dash section comes around on both sides. We just gotta pull it away a tiny bit to sneak out the top. You don't have to pull the whole thing out. That done, we can take apart our upper section. And again, it just pulls right out now that we have enough room to get by on the bottom here. Okay, so now that we have that upper cover off, we have our 4 bolts. They're either a 10mm or you can also use a Phillips head. You can use screwdriver, screw gun, whatever you can get in there with. So then we're gonna pull that out. Okay guys, so here's our factory harness, and you just put the Hypertech Speedometer Calibrator harness that goes right in between this harness. Here's your cluster, and then the sub harness right here. This is the actual Hypertech module, and it just clips in. So next we'll show you how to calibrate this module.
Alright guys, so with your Hypertech, you're gonna get a USB cable to calibrate it to, and you can use your laptop or basically any kind of computer to do that. One of the most important things you guys should remember when you calibrate this is that you need to know your factory tire size. And if you don't know your factory tire size, it's literally in the door of your driver's side on this sticker right here. It'll tell you exactly what tire size you had stock. Depending on what model, this could change because different rim sizes, etc. But then when you calibrate this, you got to use your stock size to go to your newer size or your aftermarket size. So 33, 35, 37, whatever you guys did for a new tire size.
Okay guys, so you're gonna head right over to hypertech.com. Once you plug in your Hypertech via USB cable to your computer or laptop, you're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom where it says update your device and click on that. It's gonna open up this other web page that says download update software. So you're gonna come down, hit download software right on where it says Hypertech Internet Update Software. See, Max Energy 2, Max Energy Speedometer Calibrator right here. So we're gonna hit download. And once that finishes downloading the install file. Okay guys, so once you have your tuner update application open for the speedometer calibrator, you're gonna go ahead and click on update or configure device. Firmware, you can click on update or configure device. Click on configure inline modules, tire and gear settings. That's gonna open up this screen. Now you're gonna scroll down to the vehicle you have. So currently we're configuring a 16 to 18 Tacoma that says 2012 to 2016. Tires are not stock. Old tire size is our 265, 70, R16. And our new overall tire size is 37. because we're working with an inch size and not a metric like a 305, 70, 17 or something like that, you don't need to put that information in. You just have to put in your overall tire diameter. Now, say you were updating and running a 275 or a 285, you would put that in here instead of your overall tire diameter. If you have aftermarket gears in your Tacoma or in any vehicle you're doing this on, you click gears are not stock, put the factory gear ratio in it, and put your new gear ratio in it.
Alright guys, so after we did the calibration on the computer, we're going to go ahead and reinstall.
Okay guys, so here we are reinstalling our Hypertech speedometer calibrator. Like I had said previously, we just tap in with the provided Hypertech harness, unplug the factory harness, put the Hypertech harness in between, and then right here is where our little speedometer calibrator plugs right into. And you'll see on the unit, it's got a spot for the clip. So clip goes up like that, and clipped in. And as you can see, I zip tied it up so it's not a bunch of wires everywhere. Flip this back around.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want the Hypertech speedometer, definitely pick one up. I'll be leaving a link in the description. And I want to thank Jake for helping us out and giving us a good video on it. I'm going to also leave a link in the video for his Instagram, and you guys can check him out as well. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.